guys, welcome back to a new video. This is AbsoluteJosh. How's it going? This is an unscripted video, but I decided it's been a week since the last video. There have been some issues I'm not going to go over right now. You can check a Discord server in the channel description for actual updates. I don't want to make any excuses right now, even though those are real reasons. Anyways, this is the video on how video games such as Skyrim or even Fallout 4 or any of those video games that really are RPGs but are open world, those types of video games, how they can change your whole mindset and make you more productive. Now to start, do you want to be more productive? No? Okay, then look up the video. Yes? Then you want to actually be able to, do stuff. You want to not have to do dishes all day or whatever. You want to be able to get all your homework done or whatever. You want to be able to play a whole bunch of video games and still not get in trouble for not doing your chores. That's how you can do it with gamifying your life, with the mindset that you can develop with the words I'll say in this video. To begin, imagine yourself in the video game. I mean, of course you're playing it, but just imagine while you're playing it. Think about it. You're looking around, you're doing the objectives, right? If we're talking about the open world and RPG game, you're actually going out there and doing the objectives. What if for a second your mindset changed from a to-don't list, if you're like some people, including me at times, who doesn't do their to-do list, or if you change the to-don't list to something such as a side quest list, or not even a list, just your side quests. Throughout the day, if you looked at this and said, okay, side quest 1, work on dishes. Main quests are over here. Those are your goals, those are your aspirations, what you want to do, either monthly, weekly, daily, maybe daily, or just, in general, if you want to accomplish something like a bucket list. Those are your main quests. If you're going to reword it. To start, you look at this, let's just say, hey, okay, go skydiving. That's a big main quest that you put low on your priority list because it's something you'll eventually do. But let's just say your goal is to get 6-pack abs, for example. Well, that's been my goal. But, anyway. This is unscripted. I'm gonna regret making this video. I hope it gets edited. Anyway, yeah, just cut that out, Ian, if you're editing this, please. Or just cut this whole video out, probably. But no, if your goal is to get 6-pack abs, which I don't really have them, but that's been my goal, you put that on your main quest list. If your goal for if your to-do list or to-don't list or whatever is just to do the dishes, you put it on your side quest list. But let's just say they relate, right? So your side quest would be do 50 sit-ups or do 10 sit-ups and do that every day. Those would be your side quests daily, your miscellaneous quests. And then on your main quest, your goal, or the goal, which is now main quest, would be get 6-pack abs, or I don't know, man, just to be able to do 50 push-ups. I eventually got there, but dude, I'm so skinny. I'm not gonna be able to do more than 50 push-ups, and who knows. Anyway, my point is that you reframe your mindset from one thing to the next. You reframe it from a to-don't list to a side quest list. That's actually fun. That would be more of a to-do. You would actually want to do it. You just want to. It would be interesting. Now, second thing is there's apps that if you're actually still watching this, go you for having the patience to sit through me talking. And there's apps called Habitica or Do It Now RPG apps, and those apps can really help you. They can help you gamify your life. Now, what is gamifying your life? It's imagining your whole productivity day, your day in general, as a video game. So let's just say there's stats over here, right? Your cleanliness or whatever, those wouldn't be in the game. But let's just say your strength, your fitness, your agility, those would be in the game. You increase those stats through the game. Oh, at least in the app called Do It Now RPG, you can set stats that are increased by your to-do list. And I don't know if it's on Apple or iPhone, but if it is, then give it a shot. If not, then go to Habitica, because over here you can do, it's like a multiplayer game. You increase your stats. You have health points. You can fight bosses. You go against people. You don't go against people. You work with people and fight bosses. It's just a way to reframe the boring day-to-day life into something that you actually enjoy. Imagine for a second, you're in a video game that you love. You're going through it, except it's more like a crossover between a video game and real life, except the fact that you still have the same quest log and you still have the same stuff and you actually have fun doing it. That's how you reframe your mindset from a boring to-don't list to an actual, a side quest list, Man, that's a big thing. Anyways, there's a little more to it, but I can make a part 2 video if you are actually interested in that. Thank you again for watching. I didn't even say it in the first place, but you know, again, why not? Subscribe if you want more. Don't if you don't like it at all. Just completely dislike if you hate the video. But if you're still here, why take the time to dislike? It means that you actually care to keep watching or care to watch it in the first place. So why not just dislike? I mean, why not just like? Anyway, just comment below your favorite thing about this video and your least favorite, so I can work on that. Peace. Have a good day.